How do I link Go2Bank to Zelle account? Now, this specific process that I'm going to be showing you is actually directly from the Help Center or from the FAQs directly from Go2Bank so that the tutorial will be legitimate. So first things first, before doing this process, make sure that your Go2Bank has already been activated, especially your account. So what you want to do first is just to log into your Go2Bank account in the app, select Save Money or Move Money, and then select Bank Transfer from the menu. Select the Zelle Bank, and then enter your Zelle credentials. The next thing to do is use Play to link your bank account, and it's a secure and private means to link your account. You just have to complete any verification checks required by that bank, which is going to be on Zelle. Then once this is done, you can actually start transferring funds immediately. And that's it. And please don't forget to update the Go2Bank application if you're using it via the Google Play Store to ensure that you're currently running the latest version. And that's how you link your Go2Bank to Zelle.